guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is actually my second and probably not last Disney Pack With Me videos because you guys love them. I love making them for you. But the first one I did was just for a quick weekend trip to Walt Disney World. So I'll leave that one linked below for you, but this one is going to be for a week-long vacation. So we are there from a Tuesday night to a Tuesday morning, so definitely need a lot more clothes. As you can see back there, a lot more ears, just so much more items that we need to bring for a week. And I'm going to show you how I pack my suitcase, what I like to bring, what works for me. Just because it works for me doesn't mean it's going to work for you. I don't feel like I'm an overpacker, but I'm definitely not an underpacker. I like to have my different outfits for each day. Some items like my shorts I can wear multiple days, but I'm not the one who just wears like 4 items and just mixes and matches and needs just one carry-on. I can't do that. I wish I could. That's just not how I pack and style my outfits for vacation. So I'm gonna get started showing you guys what I'm packing and how I do it. Now I just feel like I'm just rambling on. Oh, so I wanted to say this really quickly. This packing video is going to be over a couple of days. So I didn't show you when I was pulling my outfits. All of my Disney clothes pretty much live right here. But I didn't show you that. That is just kind of a mess. And I'm not too sure how to like video that without it being boring for all of you. So I have all of my outfits laid out right now, and then I am going to talk a little bit about what I'm going to do next, and then it'll probably be the next day because I have to leave in like 15 minutes. So we're going to get started today, but then next time you see me I'll probably be wearing something different, so just so you know that. So here are my piles of clothes, and to some of you, you might be like, holy moly, that's not organized at all. To me, it is organized. So I actually just got home from the mall, and who shops at the mall anymore? Not me. I just purchased these 2 pairs of shorts, and when I say they are the best shorts I've ever put on my body, I mean it. I will link them down below for you because they are so soft, so stretchy, but they're still like distressed like denim shorts, and I just don't think I can ever go back. So these are from Aerie. When I purchased them, they were 30% off, but I'll link them down below for all of you because you absolutely need them in your life. Anyways, so back to all of our clothes. I have all of my outfits sectioned out by day, and this will actually be the first time that I'm using my new Stoney Clover Princess packing cubes. I've used these ones, and I'll possibly use this big one still, but these are my new ones, so I'm super excited to use those. Something else that I'm really excited to use for the first time is this large pouch. So I do have one of these for my makeup and stuff, but I bought a Tiana one for my ears. So I'm really excited to be able to have all of them organized in one pouch. I believe you can fit 5 or 6 in here. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to get our ears organized, and then we're going to start putting all of my clothes into my packing cubes. Hi, Casey. Hello. Hi. What are you doing? Hello. You don't like when I pack, do you? That's okay. You're gonna go see Heart. I might put them in first. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I am a big fan of BB Brooks ears, and she always sends her ears in these little dust bags. So I'm thinking about putting a pair of ears in a dust bag and then stacking those in between, so then they don't like rub up on each other, or the sequence like doesn't get stuck. So then I'll have like another pair and then another pair in the dust bag. That's my plan.
Every
Okay, so I was able to fit 6 pairs of ears in here, and then I have 3 in my dust bag. Okay, so it's been a couple days, but we leave tomorrow afternoon. I'm just getting everything ready. I cannot find our ponchos, my sandals that I always take for like the hotel room, and one of my hats. So I'm gonna go look in our basement. It might be down there, but I'm gonna show you what I have so far. Okay, so these are all of my clothes that are packed in my packing cubes, ready to go in my suitcase. These are a couple of extra items. I haven't totally decided what I'm wearing on the plane tomorrow, so I might wear one of those t-shirts on the plane. And then I will put all of those in my bigger suitcase. This is my carry-on, and then this is my personal item that I'll put underneath the seat. So I still have to organize all of that. And then we have one more suitcase out here that has all of our bottled water, and then some snacks, my collagen for my coffee in the mornings, a rain jacket, and my hair tools. Okay, let's talk suitcases really quickly. So I have the Delsey carry-on and the Delsey Large. I do really like these. The suitcase is very heavy by itself, so I have to be careful with what I put in here for it to be over 50 pounds. Jackson actually just got the away luggage that he's using for the first time, so I am excited to see what he thinks about those. But this is a luggage I've used. It's in pretty good condition for how much I've used it. And then this is the front. If I wanted, I could take like a magic eraser to it to clean it up, but it works for what I needed to. But if TSA decides to break it so I can buy an away luggage, I wouldn't be mad. My packing cubes that I use with all of my clothes. I don't really have a certain way that I put them in here. I just make them into a puzzle so that they fit and everything is nice and snug and all of the room is being used. Alright. So here is my big luggage. I have all of these packing cubes in here, and then my 2 other large ones over there. I'll throw maybe my cosmetics in on that side to get those to fit depending on my weight, or some shoes. I'll probably throw some shoes over there. But again, I have to be really careful with my weight for this. So we did purchase this Travel Smart by Conair luggage wear. It's really easy, and when you're somebody who is very close to 50 pounds all the time, it is 100% worth it. So we purchased that. I think it was last July, or maybe 2 Julys ago, I can't remember. But I've spent too many years of my life unpacking my suitcases in the middle of the airport because we're over 50 pounds and I'm not paying for that. And sometimes they won't even let you pay for it. They just won't allow you to like use your bag. So I purchased this at Target. It's 100% worth it. Definitely we get our use out of it. We bring it with us, so on our way home we can weigh our bags as well, but definitely need this in your life. Okay, so it is again the next morning and we are leaving in about an hour. I put together my big suitcase. That one was ready to go. I just had to take out a pair of shoes and throw them in Jackson's suitcase. I feel like I overpacked. I feel like I very much overpacked, but that's okay. My carry-on is ready to go. I'm gonna show you what I have in that and in my Stoney Clover backpack. I don't know if I mentioned this yesterday. I kind of lost my voice this past weekend at all the hockey games we went to, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my carry-on and then my personal item that I'm gonna take on, and then I have to change, get ready to go. We're gonna go to Disney World. Oh my gosh, it doesn't even like seem real. It doesn't even seem real. Okay, let's go. Carry-on on this side, I have my ears in this pouch. I have a couple of little pouches that I will put in my park bag, my glasses, my, what is that? Oh, my electronic bag. I have my jewelry underneath there, some fanny packs. On this side, I have another backpack that I'm taking. This is my Dooney and Burke backpack, Pasquale, because always. I have a couple ears. I have an extra shirt and pair of shorts that I just threw in there. And then I will put my laptop on top of this. I always keep my laptop out until we go through security, and then I'll throw it in my suitcase so I don't have to have it in my backpack. So I just did a quick thing really fast. I put my other Dooney and Burke like purse that I was planning on using most of the time in here instead of my Stoney Clover backpack. I'm pretty sure I can get it to fit, and then that leaves a lot more room in here. So this is my personal item that I'm taking. This is my Stoney Clover backpack that I just got, so I'm very excited to use it for the first time. This mini pouch back here has my mask, magic bands, and my koozies that I'm going to use when we're in the parks. This little one has an extra magic band and some like Apple Watch bands that I might want to change, another mask, and my stickers and business cards. This pouch right here, little Tinkerbell, has our phone chargers in it. I've had I've had both of these for a pretty long time, and they've lasted really, really well. So always have to have those charged, ready to go. I have my water bottle that I will fill up in the airport, and then I just have a bag with some snacks. Ooh. Then in this front pouch, I have my eye mask, some lip balm, a scrunchie, some Tylenol, some gum, my sunglasses, hand sanitizer, and I think that is it. I'll also throw my phone in here, and possibly my blue light glasses can just go live in there. And then my laptop will be pushed in the back. I do wish like this had a laptop sleeve. That would be prime. I am reading this book, and y'all, I try really hard to read books, but I just don't do a great job at it. So I'm going to try and bring this. I'm not going to try. I'm going to bring it, and hopefully I will actually read it at least at some point during our trip. If not, our flight down there, our flight back. And then I have this Vera Bradley blanket. It's actually a pillow, and then it can fold out and become a blanket. Has a little sleeve so you can slide it right over your carry-on. It's super handy. I've had it for Oh, I can't even tell you how many years I've probably had this. And then finally I have my wallet. That will just go in there. And then we are good to go. Okay, so we're ready to go. The last thing I will need to do is to just throw you guys my camera setup in my carry-on, and we're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this packing video. It was kind of crazy, kind of all over the place, but that's how my packing is. It's kind of crazy, kind of all over the place. I stayed up until probably like 11:30 last night, finishing my packing, finishing things I wanted to get done around the house. I don't know, I have really great intentions about getting things done early, but then it just always happens to be like the last minute things. But so again, thank you for watching today's video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I would be forever grateful and really love if you joined our little adventures over here. So make sure you guys comment down below if you are going to be heading anywhere soon. Doesn't have to be Disney World or anything. Also, I'm really excited to see how Jackson likes his away suitcase. He did pack everything fit. I actually had to put a pair of shoes in his medium suitcase. And it was only like a 38 pounds, which is crazy to me. But send good vibes for our trip. Make sure you have notifications turned on, because once we get back, there's going to be tons of Disney vlogs. I'm going to stop talking now. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.